When people have asked me how to get into Puppet, the very first thing I tell them is to download the Learning Puppet VM from the Puppet Labs website. Honestly, that's going to be the best way to get into it. After that, get on the mailing list, read the books, and start managing things. Manage your phone, manage your computer, manage everything you can possibly manage.
I would tell somebody new getting into Puppet, I would say definitely join the mailing list, get involved with the community. Start with Puppet Enterprise. There's a free demo available and it really makes it easy to get going. Read the documentation and don't be prepared to have to spend a little bit of time getting going, but start small. Pick a small win, get a small win. Factor just starts working out of the box, and that is something everybody loves, being able to just get all that rich inventory detail back about your environment. I've not seen anyone who doesn't think that's an immediate win.
My advice for somebody just starting on Puppet would be to find some small problem that really bothers you and focus on that first. This could be something that happens to you every day that you need to take care of, or just something that happens once in a while but it's really painful. Find that problem and solve it. And when you have a solution for it that works, even if it's not perfect, get it out there. If you don't get it out there, you're going to spend all your time trying to be perfect, trying to make a better patch, make a better fix, and you're never actually going to use it.
I definitely recommend anybody deploying Puppet Enterprise to deploy a version control system like Git, so that you can use Puppet support for Git with R10K synchronizing against individual code branches to get multiple environments. That enables you to develop your code in one environment, test it in another, and then deploy it in your production environment.
Take the time to do proper capacity management. Spend time thinking about what your development and deployment workflow are going to be. You have to use R10K. If you're going to start, if you haven't used Puppet before and you have no Puppet environment today, and you decide you're going to have a Puppet environment tomorrow, use R10K, no question.
The cultural change that has to occur to enable something like Puppet to be successful should not be underestimated. So working first of all to help understand what people are going to be your change agents to help make Puppet successful. Helping them get the training, and the rest of your organization get training at varying levels according to your need. And then moving forward to identifying probably a stack or an application stack top to bottom that you can actually use as a poster child for a win in your environment. In parallel to building that entire stack, I would also recommend identifying maybe a baseline config, those things that you can make consistent across your entire environment, and utilize Puppet to drive consistency across a large swath of applications or application stacks. Finally, as you've worked to understand maybe one large application stack, and you've seen the business benefit of that, and you've also done a very broad swath across your enterprise, and you see the operational benefit of that, you can then plot your future strategic initiatives as your business needs dictate.